Hello, namaskaram. Welcome to the Pranic food of Saradha. Hope you are enjoying the different recipe and you are trying them. So today we are going to do zucchini curry with Chana Dhal. So now we are going to look into the different ingredients we are going to use for the zucchini curry with Chana Dhal. We will need zucchini, tomatoes, carrots, green capsicum, red capsicum, drumstick, coriander leaves, parsley, Chana Dhal, cumin seed, urid dal, fenugreek seed, mustard seed, water, ginger paste, homemade curry masala, salt, curry leaves. So now we are going to do the preparation of the zucchini curry with Chana Dhal. First, we'll start by pouring 2 spoons of vegetable oil. We add the mustard seed, two spoons of urid dal, cumin seeds, a little of fenugreek seeds, curry leaves, chopped tomatoes, and 1 spoon of ginger paste. Then we mix everything. We add some homemade masala. And a little of water to have a soft and creamy paste. And now we add the Chana Dhal. We pour some water. We stir it well and we put the cover and let it cook for 5 whistles. So after 5 whistles, we open the curry. And now we are going to add the carrot, the zucchini, drumstick, the capsicum, and we pour in the end a little of water. So once everything is put, we close the lid and wait for 2 whistles. So after 2 whistles, the curry is cooked, and you can put off the stove and you open it. The curry is done. And now it is ready to serve. Coriander, chopped coriander leaves and parsley. So here is the zucchini curry with chana dal. Hope you will enjoy it. You can have it with rice, with chapati, with bread. It is so good, really fresh, easy to be made. If you like my recipe, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, please write it below. Thank you.